यस, स्टार्ट करो ज्योति।
Hello, Araina.
Yes,
Where do you live?
I live in Mathura.
What?
I live in Mathura, UP.
Okay. Jyoti,
Yes,
in which
I
class? In which class do you read?
read. I read. I read in eighth class.
Okay. Lalita Sharma, क्या है? भावेश.
हाँ, भावेश, भावेश।
Yes, hello
Which
Didi.
which colors do you which color do you like most?
What?
What color do you
व्हाट नहीं,
like
सॉरी।
most?
व्हाट नहीं बोलते हैं यहाँ पर, सॉरी बोलते हैं ऐसी सिचुएशन में।
Okay, sir.
हाँ।
Sorry. I like. I think I like black color
Okay.
because
Manisha Sen.
because black color
Hmm.
is because black car is very because I like black car.
Okay.
So I like black color.
Okay. Good. Nitigya Sharma.
श्री।
In which subject do you like most?
I like most English subject.
Okay. Good. मोहित मतलब चेतना. Where do you live and which person do you like most in your family?
I live in Jaipur, and I like person my father.
पर्सन मत बोलो। आई लाइक माई
I
फादर।
like I like my father.
हाँ।
Okay, good. Pinky Olia, who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Jyoti Narwal.
Very good. सीताराम मौर्य की आईडी से.
हाँ, हर्षित मौर्य।
Okay, Harshit Murja. In which class do you read and whose teachers do you like most?
बोलिए।
I
विच टीचर?
Which teacher?
read in sixth class. I
Yeah.
like Rajesh Kumar Gupta sir.
Okay. My round is complete, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड। देखो ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा ना। दिस इज द वे। यस,
Okay, sir.
कम ऑन नाउ मनीषा, इट इज योर टर्न।
Yes, sir. Araina, mm,
Yes,
what is your favorite color?
my favorite color is black.
Okay. Jyoti Norval, what is your hobbies?
My hobby is teaching.
Okay. Mm, Jyoti Sah,
साहू।
Sahu,
यामिनी।
Yamini. Mm, which person who's you most like? Do
I like
विच
most.
पर्सन डू यू लाइक द मोस्ट? हाँ, कोई बात नहीं,
you
बोलो।
like the most?
I like my sister too much.
Okay, very good. Lalita
भावेश,
Sharma,
भावेश।
Yes, sir.
Bhavesh, Bhavesh. In which class do you in which class study? Do you study in which class?
इन विच
I
क्लास
I
डू
read
यू स्टडी? हाँ।
I read in sixth standard.
Okay, nice. Megha Sharma,
हाँ, श्री।
Sri. What is your age?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay. Mohit Gamer
ये चेतना,
707
चेतना।
Chetna. In which school do you read? Chetna.
चेतना।
दी दी फिर से रिपीट करना.
In which school do you read?
I I read in school Sri Guru
उसका
Kripa
नाम मत
Senior
बोलो।
Secondary School.
स्कूल का नाम बोलो, स्कूल मत बोलो।
I read Sri Guru Kripa Senior Secondary School.
I read in.
I
थोड़ा
read
ध्यान-
in Sri Guru Kripa Senior Secondary School.
हाँ,
Okay. Pinky Olia. Please tell about something Diwali.
हाँ, please tell something about
Diwali
Diwali.
is
Yes,
very important.
yes, Pinky.
What? Sorry.
Diwali is very important.
और
And Diwali is the biggest festival in India.
हाँ,
सर स्पीच बोलनी है बोली.
थोड़ा थोड़ा 4-5 सेंटेंस तो बोली दो, मेन चीजें तो बोली दो.
Diwali is celebrate 4 days.
Celebrated.
Celebrated
हाँ,
4-5 days, and that's it.
Sitaram Moria.
हाँ, हर्षित.
Harshit. Please tell about your favorite teacher.
My favorite teacher is Rajesh Kumar Gupta, sir.
तो आगे बोलो, कुछ बोलो उनके बारे में, 2-3 सेंटेंस बोलो. उन्होंने क्या कहा है? प्लीज टेल अबाउट योर फेवरेट टीचर. तो उनके बारे में खाली नाम ही थोड़ी बताओ, एक आध सेंटेंस और बताओ.
He teaches English. Her nature and nature is very good. He wake up early in the morning. He is punctual.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है, काफी है 3-4 सेंटेंस. मनीषा, मूव ऑन.
Thank you, sir. That's it.
हो गया आपका सबका राउंड हो गया. ओके, यस, कम ऑन. हर्षित, तुम आओ.
सर मैं कैसे बोलूं? लिस्ट
क्या
नहीं आ रही है.
लिस्ट नहीं आ रही?
Pupils का ऑप्शन आ रहा होगा, उस पर क्लिक कर दो, सभी के नेम्स आ जाएंगे लाइन से.
अरे नहीं दीदी, कभी कभार आते भी नहीं है, कभी कभार नहीं आते.
अरे कभी कभार छोड़ो, अभी देखो आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे. हर्षित, आप देखो.
यस सर. सर राणा विनय सिंह नाम से कौन है?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Yes. In which class do you read?
I read in 7th standard.
सर ज्योति नरवाल नाम से कौन है?
Yes, yes.
हाँ है, बोल दो आप. तो मैं बोल दूंगा नाम, तो तुम नाम बोल दो बस, जो आपको आईडी दिख रही है.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
Pink and blue is my favorite color.
ज्योति साहू.
हाँ,
Yes.
यामिनी.
Yes.
In which school? What is your word? What is your word?
क्या किसी से पूछो.
Whose person do you like most?
Whose person नहीं, whom do you like most, या which person do you like most.
Which person do you like most?
My sister so much. सर दूसरी बार हो गया ये क्वेश्चन में.
कोई बात नहीं, हो जाने दे. हाँ,
Bhavesh.
Yes, hello. Hi Harshit.
Tell me about something holy.
about Holi.
About it.
Holi is a big festival in India. We play Holi. We play Holy festival is for 2 days. First is Holi, Holika Dahan, and second is Dulandi. I like Holi. Thank you.
Good.
Yes. Manisha Didi.
Yes.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject are history and English literature.
Yes. Megha Sharma.
Shri.
Yes, sir.
About something Diwali.
Sorry?
Tell me about Diwali.
Diwali is the biggest festival of India, and it is celebrated by 5 days and plus
Finally, 4 5 days.
4 5 days. And on this festival, people are very happy, and children wait this festival because on this day they fire crackers, and in evening Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh is worshipped. Uh,
Good, very good. Yes.
Yes. Next is
Next.
Chetna Didi.
हाँ.
Tell me about the use of computer.
क्या
Hello.
बोले सर?
नहीं पता.
Te-
दूसरा.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Tell
Tell
me
something about computer.
Something about. No, sir.
No. दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछो इनसे हर्षित. Harshit, other question?
sir. What is your dream?
भैया आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है.
भैया आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही हर्षित.
Sir, एक मिनट. What is your dream?
My dream is police.
My dream is to
Police.
join police.
To join police.
Okay, next question.
Pinky Didi.
Yes.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color are black and blue.
Yes.
Hmm.
Sir, हो गए.
हो गए सारे?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Shri, come on.
Yes, sir. सर आया ही नहीं.
हाँ?
आ रही नहीं है नाम.
आएंगे नाम क्यों नहीं आएंगे? वो क्लिक करो वहां पे, सब लोग निकालो ये नाम. क्लिक करो उस जगह पे. अदर्स लिखे हुए आ रहे होंगे आपकी स्क्रीन पे, देखो.
हाँ सर आ गए.
हाँ.
अब आए ना दीदी.
Yes.
Do you go school?
Yes, I go school.
Jyoti didi.
Yes.
What is your favorite color?
Pink and blue is my favorite color.
सर ये ज्योति शाहू कौन?
हाँ, तुम तो नाम बोल दो, अपने आप आ जाएगी वो. यामिनी.
Yes sir, yes sir. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is dosa.
भावेश भैया.
हेलो 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 श्री.
हाँ हाँ, पूछ रही है, अभी पूछ रही है वो.
In which school do you read?
I read in Sizer School.
Manisha Didi.
Yes.
What is your favorite teacher?
My favorite
Who is your favorite teacher?
Who is your favorite teacher?
my favorite teacher is Rajesh ji sir. He is very good and nice person.
अरे मोहित कौन?
कौन है? मोहित, गेमर, चेतना.
जी सर.
Tell about something. Tell about something
Tell
holy.
about something. Tell something about.
Tell something about holy.
Yes. Holi is very most festival.
Very most नहीं, most important festival.
Most important festival.
हाँ.
सर रंगों को क्या बोलते हैं?
Colors.
होली इज कलर्स फेस्टिवल. होली इज फेस्टिवल इज कलर.
हाँ. Holi is colors festival. या
Holi
Holi is the festival of colors. आगे बोलो.
The Holi is the festivals of color. That's it.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
Pinky Didi.
Pinky.
Yes.
Sir, बोल दिया नाम.
नाम बोल दिया. क्वेश्चन पूछो.
What is the biggest festival of India?
Which is the biggest festival of India?
Which is the biggest festival of India?
Diwali is the biggest festival.
हाँ.
सीताराम मौर्य कौन है?
हर्षित.
Yes.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Sitaram Modi.
Sir, हो गया खत्म.
Okay. Yes. Now come on, Pinky.
Yes, sir. Manisha.
Yes.
What is your
नाम
favorite?
मनीषा का कैसे आ रहा है तुम्हारे पास?
Sir, guess.
सबसे पहले नारायणा का आना चाहिए.
नहीं सर, जरूरी नहीं है. सबके में सेम आई. जो लेट ज्वाइन होता है ना, उनके में वैसे वैसे नेम्स आते हैं.
नहीं यार, मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये
नहीं सर, अल्फाबेटिक होते हैं.
अल्फाबेटिकली होते हैं. तो आप वो लिस्ट निकालो पिंकी.
Okay, sir.
लिस्ट निकालो. अदर्स पे क्लिक करो आप.
Arayana.
हाँ.
Yes.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is Delhi.
Okay. Jyoti Narwal ji.
Yes.
Something is your best friend.
My best friend. I have many friends, but 5 and 6 friend is most important in my life. Pinky is one of them. She is good girl. Okay.
Jyoti sir. What is your favorite subject?
All subjects, my favorite subjects.
Okay, Harshit. नहीं क्या नाम? ललिता जी.
हाँ, ललिता जी. भावेश है. हाँ.
Okay, Bhavesh.
Hello.
What is your favorite temple?
Which is your favorite temple?
Which you temple?
I think my favorite temple is Golden Temple and Vishnu Devi Temple, etc.
Okay. Manisha, in which do you like subject?
Yeah.
Huh?
Which
Sorry.
subject do you like?
Yes, sir.
Please repeat.
In which school do you read?
I read in Rajasthan Girls Public School.
नहीं आप कहाँ? You can use. You must say that I read in college.
Yes.
And my college name is this.
My college name is Bhaskar Kenya College.
हाँ.
Okay. मेगा जी.
श्री है.
In which do you school read?
In which school do you read?
In which school do you read?
I read in AVM school.
Chetna. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red and pink.
हर्षित. No sorry. क्या नाम है? हर्षित का हो गया सर जी?
नहीं मेरा नहीं हुआ.
Okay, okay. What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is badminton.
That's it.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.
सबका हो गया?
नहीं सर मेरा रह गया. सर
हो तो गया तुम्हारा शायद.
सर मेरा नहीं हुआ.
चलो इनसे पूछो पिंकी. हाँ
नहीं हुआ
पिंकी.
मेरा भी नहीं.
अरे नहीं सर मेरा हो गया. मेरे को
नहीं है अभी.
अरे मैं जो
मैंने
पूछ रहा हूँ पिंकी ने सबसे पूछ लिए ना क्वेश्चन.
Yes.
वो तो
सर
ओके ओके वही पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. यस अरायना नाउ यू इट इज योर टर्न.
यस सर. ज्योति नरवाल.
Yes.
Which where do you live?
I live in Jagatpura.
Jagatpura where?
In Jaipur.
Jyoti Shahu. Yes. In which class do you study? I read in 8th class. I read in 8th class. Okay. And Lalita Sharma.
भावेश.
Yes. Bhavesh.
हेलो.
Hello. Hello.
हेलो.
Yes. Tell me about Raksha Bandhan.
Raksha Bandhan is a good festival. All people celebrated Raksha Bandhan that they sisters tie Rakhi to his brothers and brothers give gifts to his sisters. Raksha Bandhan is a nice festival. और India celebrated Raksha Bandhan. Thank you.
Okay. Manisha Saini.
Yes.
Which kind of movie do you like?
Kind. Please repeat one more.
Which kind of movie do you like?
I can't understand that question. Please.
Which type of movie means? Social movie, comedy movie, tragedy movie, romantic movie, action movie.
Okay.
Yes.
I like comedy and action movies.
Okay.
Okay. Megha Sharma.
Shri.
Okay. Which color do you like?
I like pink color.
Mohit Gamer.
Chetna.
What do you like to eat?
I like dal bati.
Okay. Pinky Olia. Which subject do you like the most?
English subject is my favorite subject.
Okay. Sitaram Moria.
Harshit,
Yes.
Tell me about uh, Independence Day.
Independence Day is celebrated on
celebrated
celebrated on Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. This day, children go to school without books.
very good.
And teachers give them biscuit, chocolate.
Good.
That's it.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir. I have.
Okay. Okay. Now, yes, come on, Bhavesh. Bhavesh,
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
it is your turn to ask the questions, to asking the questions.
yes, sir. Sure. Araina Didi,
Yes.
what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Jyoti Didi,
Yes.
in which college do you read?
I am non-collegiate student, so I don't go to college regularly.
Good.
Okay. Okay. And sorry. Jyoti Yamini Didi,
Yes, sir.
what is your favorite? What is your favorite movie?
So many movies my favorite. One movie select. Sorry. One movie select very difficult.
Okay. Manisha Didi,
Yes.
what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject are English and history
Why?
because I'm very interested in history and English literature, and when I teach it when I teach it
When I study.
when I study it, I'm I'm feel better and I am understand fastly. Thank you.
Shri, do you like computer? Do you like computer?
Yes, I like computers.
But why?
Sorry.
What do you like in computer?
Because I
No. What do you like in computer?
like YouTube.
In computer?
Yes.
What do you want to say that? What do you like in computer? Playing games?
No.
Then
Drawing.
drawing. Okay. Yes.
Chetna Didi. Chetna Didi.
Yes.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher Rajesh Gupta ji sir, Guruji, and Dhanpati ma'am.
Okay.
Pinky Didi.
Yes.
Where? What is your what is your what is your father's name? Hello.
My father name is Mr. Chotma Lolia.
Okay. Harshit.
Yes.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is badminton.
Okay. Sir,
Yes.
one more question to Harshit.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, Harshit.
Yes.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is badminton.
Okay, thank you. That's it.
Okay. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now, Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, Alina.
Yes.
Um, uh, please tell me, um, whose memory do we celebrate Diwali?
In memory of Lord Ram and Sita.
Oh, good. Jyoti Didi,
Yes.
please tell me how time how much time do you read this passage?
What? Sorry.
Sorry. Repeat your question.
Yes. How much time do you read these classes?
I I teach 7:15 to 1:11 any
No.
class.
No. 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 No.
Sorry, sir.
Repeat your question, Yamini.
Yes.
How much how much time do you read these classes?
क्या मतलब है ये बोलो.
About about 5 o'clock.
नहीं.
मतलब 5 hours.
एक मिनट. क्या क्वेश्चन है आपका? क्या पूछना चाह रहे हो आप?
सर एक मिनट आप तुम इस क्लासेस में कब से पढ़ रही हो?
हाँ, तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस आएगा. हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन
ओके सर. हाउ लॉन्ग?
इन दीज क्लासेस?
ओके सर.
पूछो.
सर मैं क्वेश्चन ही चेंज कर दूं क्या?
नहीं, क्वेश्चन चेंज नहीं करना है. वही क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में.
ओके सर. How long have you been read these classes?
रीडिंग.
Reading this.
I have been reading in this class for 1 year.
ओके.
Okay.
यस.
Bhavesh. Bhavesh.
भावेश, आर यू प्रेजेंट और नॉट? ओके.
Sir,
कॉल द अदर नेम.
sir Bhavesh दो जगहों पे.
Yes, there is some net issue. Call other name.
Manisha Didi.
Yes.
Manisha Didi, please tell me Diwali.
Diwali is the biggest festival of India. It is celebrated the memory.
Celebrated.
It is celebrated in memory of Sri Ram. It is celebrated on कौन सी पूर्णिमा थी? It
कार्तिक
is
अमावस्या.
Kartik Amavasya. That day, children's and children's firecrackers and we and worshipped the Lord Lakshmi and Ganesh ji.
Hmm.
Mm, Diwali is the 5 days festival. First first Dhanteras, second Choti Diwali, third Diwali, and fourth सर फोर्थ वाले का क्या नाम था?
गोवर्धन,
गोवर्धन पूजा, and fifth is
भाई दूज.
Bhai Dooj. That's it. Thank you.
Hmm.
Very good, Manisha Didi. Next is Shri. Shri, which chocolate your favorite?
Sorry?
Which chocolate your favorite?
My favorite chocolate is silk.
Oh, so, Chetna Didi. Chetna Didi.
Yes.
Chetna Didi. Who is your favorite sister?
मेरी तो कोई बहन ही नहीं है.
तो आप इंग्लिश में बोलो. आई हैव नो सिस्टर.
My favorite sister is Nisa. She is very cute.
Okay.
Okay. सर इसमें कजन के लिए बोल सकते हैं ना वैसे?
हाँ हाँ बोल दे, कोई बात नहीं है इसमें, क्या है बोलने में, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
जी सर.
We have to practice only. Yes. Next question.
Pinky,
हाँ.
tell me of science.
Science has given many things like that, computers, medicine, and etc. That's it.
Hmm.
Next is Harshit.
Yes.
Harshit, which mobile game your favorite?
My mobile favorite game is Subway Surfers.
Okay. Sir Bhavesh, आ गया?
Bhavesh,
Yes.
are you here? Yes.
Bhavesh,
Yes, Didi.
Bhavesh, what is your favorite food?
Favorite food. My favorite food is healthy food.
Which?
Okay, sir. My favorite
दाल बाटी
food
चूरमा, छोला भटूरा, idli, sambar, dosa, sambar. What do you like the most? दाल बाटी चूरमा, खीर पूड़ी.
none of these.
Then
My favorite food is vegetable and chapati
okay.
and chola bhatura.
हाँ आ रहा है ना धीरे धीरे. हाँ हाँ आ जा, धीरे धीरे आ जा. मैं यही तो कहूँ, इतने सारे फूड हैं इसके फेवरेट, और तू एक फूड के लिए पूछ रही है. आओ इसमें भी पॉसिबल. सोचना इसलिए पड़ता है ना बेटा, बिकॉज यू लाइक ऑल द फूड वेरी मच. There is a question, which food should I tell that this is my favorite, because all the foods are my favorite food. Yes.
Yes.
Ah. Yes. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Harshit,
Yes,
it is your turn to ask the questions.
सर क्या?
Question पूछो, तुम्हारा नंबर है.
सर मैंने पूछ लिया.
पूछ लिए क्या हर्षित ने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो कौन रह गया अब?
Yes, sir.
सबका हो गया?
नो सर मैं रह गया.
हाँ तू आजा, तू रह गया तो आजा.
सर मैं लिस्ट खोल लेती हूँ एक बार.
हाँ खोल ले बेटा.
अरायना दीदी.
Yes.
What is your country's name?
My country's name is India.
ज्योति दीदी.
Yes.
What is your favorite color?
Pink and blue is my favorite color.
ज्योति दीदी.
Yes, दीदी, चेता दीदी.
एक सेकंड. What is your colony names?
My colony name is Kusum Ziyang.
Okay. सरी ललिता शर्मा. भावेश भैया.
I am not भैया.
अब छोटे हो तो वही मिस गलती हो गई. सॉरी.
Who are you? If not
What
Divya.
is your birthday?
My birthday date is 25 July.
Okay. ये मनीषा दीदी.
Yes.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is Kho-Kho.
पिंकी दीदी.
Yes.
What is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta.
ये सीताराम सर कौन?
हर्षित.
Yes.
Sir,
What
मेरा
is your
नंबर
favorite subject?
Sorry.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay, sir. आप
सर
ready
मेरा
हैं?
नंबर
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is sky blue.
Okay. सर कोई रह गया है क्या?
ये तो आप देखो, आपके पास लिस्ट होगी ना.
सर सब हो गए.
कोई रह गया हो तो बोल दो भाई. ओके.